Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talking about the axillary artery. We will explain its origin, course, termination and distribution of the axillary artery. So starting the axillary artery begins at the lateral border of the first rib as a continuation of subclavian artery, and it ends at the lower border of the teres major muscle where it continues as a brachial artery. So this one is subclavian artery. So the axillary artery begins at the lateral border of the first rib as a continuation of subclavian artery and ends at the lower border of the teres major where it continues as a brachial artery. Okay, now this one is its origin. As I say, it starts from the lateral border of the first rib, and this one is its termination. Okay, and the path which it has traveled is its course, and at the end we will talk about the distribution of axillary artery. So the pectoralis minor muscle, this muscle crosses in front of the axillary artery. The pectoralis minor muscle crosses in front of the axillary artery and divides it into three parts. First part, second part and third part of the axillary artery. Now we will talking about the first, second and third part of the axillary artery. So first part. The first part extends from the lateral border of the first rib to the upper border of pectoralis minor muscle. This one is the first part. The second part of the axillary artery extends from the second part of the axillary artery. This lies behind the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, and the third part of the axillary artery extends from the lower border of pectoralis minor to the lower border of teres major. This one will be considered as the third part of the axillary artery. So from the first part give rise to the one branch, second part give rise to the two branches, and third part gives three branches. So this one will be the distribution of the axillary artery. So from the first part, coming toward the first part, from the first part, highest thoracic artery runs along the upper border of pectoralis minor. Highest thoracic artery. Here is the highest thoracic artery which is running along the upper border of pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, from the second part, the thoracoacromial artery immediately divides into terminal branches. Okay, thoracoacromial artery and the lateral thoracic artery. The lateral thoracic artery, this runs along the lower border of pectoralis minor muscle. Clear? And lastly, from the third part, The subscapular artery runs along the lower border of subscapularis muscle. Here is the subscapular artery from the third part. Subscapular artery and the anterior and posterior circumflex humeral arteries. Anterior and posterior circumflex humeral arteries, which wind around the surgical neck of humerus. Here it is lying the humerus, and the anterior and posterior circumflex humeral arteries are wound around the surgical neck of the humerus. So, this is all about the axillary artery and its branches. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.